Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss with you some concepts about the markets that are operating in India, that is the energy markets. Now in here we have the market in the essence. Let me first tell you that it means the participation of more than two or more means there are it is a marketplace where there are we cannot count the number of participants. For example, for a particular sense of market, a bilateral trade between a buyer and a seller cannot be called a market. So a marketplace is simply where, say, in a certain day, if 50 participants are participating in the as 30 and 20 ratio of the buyers and sellers, then they will be called a marketplace. So in India we have the day ahead market, and we have other forms of the day ahead market. So basically we can say that in India that only the day ahead market in true sense it is there. Although there is a real-time market which has arisen, like in recently, where although the participation is less as compared to the day-ahead market, but still it is quite more, and it helps a lot for the system balancing. So that's all about the definition of a market. Now, what is a day ahead market? Here, as the name itself says, that it is the market, the price discovery, and how much volume is getting delivered. Each and everything is decided a day before than the actual delivery period. That means when actually the day on which the power is getting scheduled. All this bidding and everything is being done a day before. Now, what is bidding? Here, the buyers and sellers actually bids their quantum of energy that they are going to buy or sell in the market at their willing price. Now, for example, a buyer wants to say, suppose, has given a bid of willing to buy 50 megawatt for, say, suppose 5 rupees, and then he keeps on saying that no, and if the price increases, I will not buy that much of a quantum, I will buy a less quantum, and so on. However, on the other side, a seller would say that no, if the price would increase, I am definitely willing to sell more. So that is a difference between the buying and selling curve. The selling curve is always upward sloping curve, and the buying curve is a downward sloping curve, and together similarly, now what happens is that I told you about a single buyer, right? Now we have to make an aggregated buying curve, and similarly we have to form an aggregated selling curve. Now, what is a aggregated buying curve and aggregated selling curve? It is where all the bids are formed together to form a single uniform line. Like, for example, at a certain price, say suppose 4 rupees, we say that okay, buyer 1 has given 50 megawatt, buyer 2 40 megawatt, and buyer 3 90 megawatt, so on. So cumulatively we figure out that buyer 1 plus buyer 2 plus buyer 3 comes out to be 180 megawatt at the specified rupees 4, and so at rupees 4 we have found a 180 rupees, and similarly at rupees 3 we will find something else. So together it will form a downward sloping curve. Similarly, the upward sloping curve will also form a supply side aggregated curve, and together they will intersect with each other, which will form the market clearing price. Now in India we have a uniform market clearing price. That means that the price which is coming out to be the intersection between these two curves is basically the price in which the market is getting cleared, which is the same price that each and every participant will be getting. That means the buyer will be getting the same price, and the seller will be getting the same price irrespective of the quantum that is getting cleared. that is a uniform price for all the participants, right? Now what volume of it is getting cleared? For example, if it is not necessarily absolutely that whatever I bid will get cleared. For example, there are many constraints. For example, my bid was higher, my volume was higher than the market clearing price. In that case, my bid may not get cleared. There may be cases where there is market splitting. That means the prices at two different regions are getting separated, and in such a ratios there are high probability that my bids will not get cleared. So this is way the market operates. Now this is the same for the real-time market as well and the day-ahead market. Only the fact is that in the real-time market the participants will have to submit their bids on a certain window that for the delivery on the same day, and on the day ahead basis it will be the bids are given on the day ahead basis for any time on the next day. So I hope this helps. And now moving on to the next topic. In the day ahead market, we have now recently developed more new elements such as the green day ahead market. Now there is a HPDAM, that is the high price day ahead market. Now all this together forms the integrated day ahead market, which is known as the integrated day ahead market. Now what is integrated day ahead market? Obviously integrated means if more than one markets are operating at the same time on the day ahead basis, then we need to integrate them. Now how integration is done? Integration is done basically by the fact that if the bid is not getting in one market, then it will go on to the next market and so on. Now there is a specific criteria for it. For example, if the HPDAM is not getting cleared, it will go to the DAM. If the GDAM is not getting cleared, it will go to the DAM. So I hope this is clear. I will be explaining the green day ahead market and the high price day ahead market, what are they, in the next video. I hope you have liked it. Please leave your comments below, and please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye, take care.